Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix something went wrong, try again on Google Play Store. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error something went wrong, try again, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to tap on the setting and scroll down a little bit. In this you can see here user and accounts, just tap on this. Guys, you can see here under accounts there is an option automatically synchronize personal account data. Just you have to disable this one, click on OK and enable it. Again click on OK. Once you have to on off this, after that you can see here Google, just tap on this. If you are using multiple email IDs on your mobile, it will show you the multiple IDs. You have to select which email IDs you need to synchronize. Select that email ID. After selecting, you can see here top right side 2 dot, just tap on this. You can see here top right side 2 dot, just tap on this. You need to tap on the sync now. Guys, after completion of this syncing process, then go back, just tap on the setting, then scroll down a little bit. You can see here app management, just tap on this. In this you need to tap on the app list, just tap on the search bar, then type Google Play Store. You can see here Google Play Store, just tap on this. You can see here storage usage, just tap on this. You need to click on clear cache. After that you can see here clear data, just tap on this and click on OK to clear data. After that then go back, then here you have to find Google Play Services. You can see here Google Play Services, just tap on this. You can see here storage usage, just tap on this. You can see here clear cache, just tap on this. After that you can see here clear data, just tap on this. Guys, you can see here last option clear all data, just tap on this and click on OK to clear all data. Guys, after doing these settings, once you have to restart your mobile. After restarting your mobile, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix something went wrong, try again error on Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.